So here's how to change birthday on Roblox. Keep in mind that in order to change your birthday, you need to be over 13 years old. So as you can see, we're currently in the Roblox homepage. From here, you need to go ahead and click on More from the left panel. Once you're here on this page, click on Settings. After that, you need to click on Account Info on the top. You will then be taken to this page. Over here, under Personal, you'll be able to see your birthday. Click on the Edit option on the right side. Over here, just set your new birth date and click on Continue. Just make sure that parental controls for your account isn't turned on. After that, your new birth date will be updated on your Roblox account. So by following these simple and easy steps, you can easily change your birthday on Roblox.